Rukasen Hiljur amai hamren along mesen pen ke pacun pon. Kajir ronghang pi telen han ahin pen. Miss kar benglong kecepati ke paman pon je pan perang ki amai ke phang. West Kar Benglong District Rongkhang MSC Constituency along Kepangthir Asai Kedeng. Kardom ada berta long beneli berta han bang thare harmony na bertang ton pen arjik tha. Kajir Ronghang Pitelen han ahin pen phaikuni ni phai nar kep arni. Ada porphai krisiara chiti ma por pen difu kalakandra along pherangke amai ke padopona berta karni salong berta nangle.
Kajir Ronghang Pitalan Han tahin ben suri hinira trainer cap aning kana bah ke bangji mati jonga chikloni phai ingkoi pen ni phai ingkoi ra ke thom arni an ni thom apharman miss kar biang long kachepati padopon po audition ki padopon ji adim na ke karbi club along mati jonga chikloni phai ingkoi arni si ke padopon ji aphan pherang ke amai long pachini lapen angdum ki di kachepati mati grand finale ke difu joy sing doloi auditorium hall along si ke paman pon ji aphan da pachini ponthu lasi talent hunt along kachepati dun ji aphan ning ke hang abang phubang phiatum phai kuni ni phai sirkep arni pen men ka chathap a form longpon poputa arang litum pen pachini ponthu
Rukasen Hirbang amai hamren pen kepatir pipon lapen Jambali Literary Foundation pen kacherabdun Rukasen Hiljur amai phaikuni nifai troxy arni hamren fishery training hall along padopon alir alon pen kepachun pona berta kadus perang ke hondor pro pen berta nang pale.
Ada porphai ke ba porpen kachipate abang phubang phiatum men kachathap cheng pondo la so phia da porphai sirke brach tim a porpen Rukasen Hirbang amai phu Mohon Singh Terang hamren ben Mike Japan Pupon si Kangpo amai chengpon Kangpupon amai long abarim custom and reform chairman Richardson Hanse pen si ing pupon lo Kangpupon amai hut Karbiang long autonomous council em Rup Singh Terong ta chetong dun Mike ke phalam the prasanto ing ti pen si jaipon lapen Mike Kangpu alun KCS hamren hawara mai hin pen si parjupon lo bangsoja megalong Karbiang long Kangpi pen Hirbang pi lapen lamet pi atum na chetong dun si mai aliralon pi dun mai long KCS amai ko Chandra Singh Kro lapen abarim em bidasing rong piatum chetong dun anpar da lamet po Joy Singh tok bi pen dang lok prek jam nong nam ka chethang klong lamet po atum ta chetong dun anar lo porphai isira chitim apor pen surjo rong pharmai chephaim phu pon si hirjur ka chepati padopon hirjur ka chepati chengche prangjong hamren hirbang amai pen Jambali Literary Foundation difu hin pen hirjur ki hir parjupon laso hut inut arta ki jum hek sarkang khon timong manja pen ta hirjur hir ponsik ka chetong dun araraphan ningpang sam prek jam hawar pen hirjur ka chepati atumaphan kang saidun khorsinging ti manju teron pi bidaram rong pi longsing tok bi pen karon hanse pi atum chephaim phupon
West Kar Benglong District number 5 Rongkhang MSC Constituency along phaikuni ni phai nar kep arni Kepangthir Asai Kedeng pon abirta pherangke pen cardnews sa hemalong birta nangpale
Ada porphai kebra chitim apor pen Satgaon angkang Kepangthir Asai Kedeng Kepangthir Asai along KSS Rongkhang BJP Mondol Committee Bazar Committee lapen Satgaon Sports Association atum pensi Saideng ponlo bangso Kepangthir Asai along Rongkhang Mondol Committee amai phu Pradip Rong pipensi mai chephaim phu pon
Pasnong Rongkhang Constituency angkang along ke Satgaon Bazar alo Hai Suri le puramja Hulbe athil adag abang ke arni bang si bozar pisan mandet la sila dag munit kache tong aphai ke ong la pen bozar sidame kit hea jok pensil adag abang ke menang an adima bang ke kasa ultur la sonta do mundi bitum kache chik ke ke do tek pen pasini bitum ke damtang tarik program ni executive padosi ladak Satgaon habar mate Satgaon bazar along arui tin kapang thirje hotel bitum ching wai pono la sila so arui tin kapang thirponi phansi tin pena bangen tum arni dengpono bat tarik kami hot ponderlo basi arni gang kitame laso pina tarik son athak acheklo ajon tin la pina tarik son athak long bangen itum bazar pang thirpon po la kana so bazar kapang thiralo ko bang bangke Karbeng lo automas konsil la fasan ni bitum tham pachini lo la dak menang an ke dengpon nang aso namundo la so bazar pang thirje phana bangke la pen so long kam na chirab duni to bang bangke KCS tum stamen tum long nang chedon dun lo la pen Satgaon sport jeson tamen nang chedon dun lo la pen dak Satgaon long ke du khaikli ni bate jojor chalang tu tamen litum phan nang support dun lo la pen nang chikro dun pami pen sin litum pin istamela committee do anahin pen jani tum pin dak bazar lo ngapang kira sai dun
Hithi kulat amai pu Joysing Hansil pen South Gang Sports Association amai pu Tonison Kram South tum pen Chenglok ong dung abang pu bang phetum ta chirap chetodun.
Non malam support han bil tamu ton ponik sina.
Kopili Family Restaurant, a fine dining restaurant, the most flavorable and exciting meals made with passion. Ethnic cuisine like Indian tandoori, Chinese, Pan-Asian and Karbi kitchen. Special food items like seafood dishes, fish and prawns are served. Pork special like barbecue pork spare ribs and Northeast-style pork curry. Wait! Not only this, Durga Puja special buffet starts from 17th and valid till 19th of October 2018. Also, the restaurant does catering order for parties, events, wedding, etc. It also offers free home delivery services. Distance and minimum order. Within 2 kilometers, rupees 500, 2 to 5 kilometers, 700, and 7 to 10 kilometers, rupees 2,500. For queries and services, contact at 6901312934 or 6901312930. Kopili Family Restaurant, 4th floor, HRSJ Complex, Dharamnala Road, Diffu, near Bazar, India. Big sale! Up to 20% off on baby wear, 5% off on grocery items and 6% off on beauty and personal care. Also special Durga Puja offer on ladies and gents wear. To avail this opportunity, step in Saraswati Superstore right now. Home delivery services are available within 3 kilometers radius of Diffu. For more details and services, please contact at 70024-56806 or 9957-537019. Saraswati Superstore, MS Hans Enterprise, near Mamta Pharmacy, Diffu Main Market. Hurry up! Hero Company gives you a beautiful opportunity to have any kind of scooty or bike with the best help of easy loan facility. Also, it will be covered up with best driving comfort, best mileage, easy spot finance, best looks, etc. Service accessories and spare parts are available here. Please contact nearest authorized dealer. SMV Motors, opposite of DIG Bungalow, Diffu Manje Road, Karbi Anglong, Diffu. For more queries, please contact 9613731109 or 9101147818. J&J Amandu has come to twist your taste with ethnic traditional dishes, noodles, rice, main course, beverages, soups and many more. A restaurant that makes you feel alive and energized. You can be out there enjoying the things you love. Parties like wedding parties and birthday parties are also taken up. On any occasion, the order must be given at earliest time. For more queries, please contact 9435-925-116. J&J Amandu, Diffu, Karbi Anglong, Birla, near Bharat Petrol Pump. A family restaurant, a part of your family.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajang tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Surkimi outlet opposite LDRB Difu Karbi Anglong, Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
Dihina mo piputat bertalo bang thulo. Karbi lamet amai khironi aro jirikendeng aro lapen khironi hirjir amai atum. Patirpi rapet pen kedam tang phaikuni ni phai trok arni jirikendeng along hirjir khir kecepate asai kipaman pun aberta card news asai hamalong pherang ke pen berta nang pale.
Hirjir kihir kacepate kipadopon along bang thom kep sose atum cepate dun bang thom kep sose kacepate dun atum ang bong pen ki haya dun atum lake ki cheng si anong e jerikin deng rong monjerasor ribini phang chopi kacepate along adun thu anong e kilong dun abang philake khiruni dikreng asor rahi ing hipi lapen ke thom ang deng kacepalong dun abang phulake mukhi masor het sing krotum henlo non nangkeli ji arko chiklo jerikin deng along kipadopon ji karbi lamet amai krungching sai amai kepachun ji aphan Keseng pontirika amai amai borsing ingtipen kangpupon bangso hirjir kihir kacepati amai long lamet amai tiripi chom e chun bang joyram rong hang lapen dokmuka lamet aro amai phu borsing kropen cheng lok pen an lamet kaching hon abang pu bang pietum chetong dun pinpur pon me bangso hirjir kacepati along siningamir pu NGO tumta chetong dun pen hirjir kacepati abang pu bang pietum apan jongjong hin pen nong e pajir dun
Kasa patuak lamalong rasingja asong pen kidam tang phaikuni ni phai trok arni karli tang khorsing tera kawe rong pipi adon arab lapen karli tang kangki timu adon arab atum karhi adim along kepang thira sai kedeng
Kepang terasai kepadopon along bina rong pipi lapen chirap chetutun abang phi am itimung piatum pensi kenang jason an lapen kichar hi asai sitami padopon ro bangso kepang terasai ke klem ponang kok athi dak kasa pathua klamalong karlitang khorsing terang adona rap lapen karlitang kangki timung adona rap atuma phan kar hi adim pinak asi kasa pathua club indoor stadium anathu ke klem kedam siksak chetpu ke kim kerang atum pen kasa amai phu chun bang atuma phan pachinilo laso aputha kasa tumpen rasinja song phan pachini si bangso ke pang theraphan sai deng pon lopusi rasinja song amai phi basa pi bepi lapen kong chun bang pi phulmoti teron pi atum pen pachini
da song hoi si ni tum kado kabe rata tuma phan asap obaga ki me ba non la dak helagi biji pu la dak ta asap o pasik sak dunang ni pu la kamatha pen amasi ni tum kado kabe rasinja asong achar he pi tum pen an wang si pini la dak karjong phan an ke pha si ke chuningri je non la sports dobom hul sitame thang pasik sak dunde je phan la pendak ki klem ke dam sitame thang pasik sak dunde det je phan la sini tumrat pen para senja song pen ini ke chuningri pisi la bang so kam pini tum tukhe
ada berita bang apa sih kanton poneglo domi thakmi kurbang tu